Placeholder maintenance enables planners to dynamically create, modify, or delete placeholder positions at selected hierarchy levels so that they can plan for future expected items and locations that do not currently exist in the system. To add new positions to a dimension, first I'll right-click on the existing shimmer sweater. Then I will select Add Positions. The Add Position dialog box appears with dimension and level values relevant to the position on which I right-clicked. In this example, the values are set to product dimension and style color level, since shimmer sweater is at style color level on the product hierarchy. I will now add 3 positions to the product dimension at style color level. I will type the label shimmer sweater. I checked the Use Like Position box because I know I'm getting more variations of the shimmer sweater. I can type in shimmer and the like item is available for me to select. For the Assign Attributes area, if I knew all my items were the same brand, I could select this option to pre-fill all the new placeholders upon creation. I can then click OK and review what I have done. When finished, I click OK. A week later, and I now know what colors are coming in, so I can edit the position I added. I'll right-click on my shimmer sweater and select Modify Positions. I then can select one of the new entries and click the Copy Attributes from Like Position button. I now see all the copied values, saving me time and effort. I can then just change the color for that item. If I decide I don't need a position anymore, all I have to do is highlight it and click the X icon to delete it from my list. I can also add more positions at any time by clicking the plus sign icon. When I add a position, it is highlighted in red. I can know when there are errors with the placeholder positions that I am trying to import, add, modify, or delete. I can see an error icon in the row header for any validation errors on the product hierarchy or attributes associated to the placeholder item. The fields that have errors are highlighted by red boundaries. As I hover over the error icon, a tooltip with the following message will be shown. Some options are not valid. Check the spelling or ensure your workspace is up to date. If the attribute values entered are not valid, the following message is shown. Some of the attribute values entered are not valid. Please select a valid attribute value or remove the invalid value. You can change like positions at any time. Here you can see I created some positions without using the Copy Like Items button in the wizard earlier. All I have to do is click in the cell and select the like item to be copied. The like position updates done here are reflected in the pivot table and vice versa. So this saves me the time of opening the Modify Product dialog box to update the like position. And finally, if I need to manually adjust the hierarchy rollup for a new position, all I have to do is click in the style and start typing. My new choice will appear and I can select the new hierarchy. When I finish, I can click OK. Import Position is used to manually import a list of placeholder positions that I have already entered in an Excel file format. It loads the positions listed in the file to the Add Product dialog box for validation and highlights errors when corrections are required. This functionality can be used for the bulk creation of placeholder positions. When buyers have clarity regarding the placeholder positions that must be created, including items, styles, attributes, and attribute values, they can enter these details into an Excel file. They then can create the placeholder positions in the system by importing the file created earlier. To import placeholder positions, click the Import Position shortcut icon on the Quick Access toolbar. You can also click the Import Position menu item in the Action menu or perform a contextual launch of Import Position. Click the Download DPM Import File Template button next to the Import Position button on the Quick Access toolbar to download the file template to use to populate an Excel file with placeholder positions and their information.